when you're set at times 1 and test a component, your meter needle moves towards 0 and stays there. For an open condition, despite the fact that you already set your range multiplier to the highest setting, which is times 10K, whatever you do when testing your component, the needle would not deflect at all and would remain at the infinity position. For a leaky condition, once you test a component, your meter needle would deflect towards 0 and then would stay at a specific point. This is true for capacitors and some semiconductors. As you can well see, in regards to the fourth defect that was mentioned, which is change in value, the only way of determining if there was indeed a change in value is by measuring. So we have two different types of meters here. One is a capacitance meter and one is a regular DFM meter. This is a digital meter. So this digital meter can measure resistance up to 2 megabytes. So normally, these two components are the one that eventually changes its values from time to time. So the resistor, when too much current passes through it, it can eventually change in value. And of course, capacitors, due to old age or some factors which involves maybe sudden change in voltage or current, can eventually cause this kind of defect or this type of defect. A good example of a change value can be seen with these three capacitors. These three capacitors are all rated 1000 microfarad, 16 volts. Setting our capacitance meters to its correct position, that's 2000 microfarad, we can now test the value of this newer capacitor. So the meter indicates that it reads 977 or 976 microfarad, which is near the rated value of 1000 microfarad. In regards to these two old capacitors that was recently replaced, however, the rating is way down, way below the 1000 microfarad that is indicated in its casing. So the rating is only 239 microfarad. Same with this other capacitor, which also has the same rating of 1000 microfarad, and yet when measured only shows 77 microfarad or 78 microfarad, which is really way below the actual measured value, rated value. So that's the kind of defect that you will always, or most of the time, you will encounter when replacing or when doing some repair works for old systems or electronics system. So these are old capacitors that were replaced.